My name is Sam and welcome to a brand new video. Today I am going to be doing like a supplies haul for like jewelry stuff that I bought. I'm working on some new like stuff on my Etsy store, particularly necklaces. So I just bought a bunch of like stuff to make said necklaces and other bits, and I thought it'd be fun to do a video basically doing a haul, showing you what I bought. Do people still do haul videos? I don't know. I wanted to do a haul video, so I'm gonna do one because it's my channel. Starting off with charms. Yeah, I'm just picking them at random. I have these charms, which are little handcuffs. I got pretty much all of these things off of eBay. Yeah, pretty much everything apart from maybe like one or two things. Everything else from eBay. I'll leave links below if you see something you're like, oh, I want to get that. But yeah, these little handcuff charms, and I thought they would look really cute as a necklace, like if you can link them together like that, or maybe you have like really small, quite small dainty earrings that are kind of cool and punky. Next thing is going to be these little satin charms. Again, cute little charms. I bought like charms kind of like these, like satin charms before to make jewellery, mostly for myself because I really like satin charms. I have like a pair of earrings and as well as a necklace kind of like this, like a choker style necklace with these sort of charms on, and I absolutely love them. So I thought, why not make some more for my store. Also, I think these would look cool on the belt chains that I make. Actually, the handcuffs would look cool as a belt chain as well. And then the last charms I got are these black lightning bolts, and these I got off of eBay. I got black ones because I thought they would look quite cool, but they did have like a bunch of other colours, and you could also get a pack. Because also in the colours you could also choose a pack that has like a variety of colours, so some black, some blue, some pink, that sort of thing. I got black just to start off with, and I already have made a pair of earrings out of these, which I was wearing, and I've been wearing over the past week, and I really like them. They're really cute, they're lightweight, and I think they're also good for work as well. That's why I've been wearing them. But I also have, my work is also like, yeah, as long as you're comfy, that's cool. But yeah, I think these are really cool. They come in a pack of 50 and they are just really cool. Yeah, when I made those earrings, my boyfriend commented saying that they was very like punk rock, like I look like a punk rocker with them. So if that's the vibe you're going for, those are good. I got this, what do you call it? It's like it says a lightweight chain key, and it's got like a clasp there and like a lobster style clasp here, and then like a jump ring here, and then that attaches to your belt. I usually get the ones from Wilko's, but I thought I'd order one off of Amazon, just kind of see what that's like, what the quality is and stuff. And the chain itself is very good quality. The only thing is I probably won't use this lobster clasp just because of how big and chunky it is. I prefer the ones that I have a bit smaller. So, but that's personal preference. But I quite like it. It is quite strong and sturdy, which is good for a belt chain because sometimes those things get caught. Like when you're walking through a door, it gets caught in the handle and things like that. But so yeah, I quite like this. Then I got some like bit of chain to make some necklaces. That isn't too exciting. But again, I'm making necklaces, some in this sort of style, and there's some with like little bits of chain on them. I might do like some videos where I actually kind of do like a DIY of how I make me making these necklaces and stuff. So if that's something you want to see, let me know. So yeah, I've got silver chain. I've also got this black cord. Like I said, I want to make some chokers kind of in this sort of style with like the cord, which is why I got this. Just some black suede cord, which is going to be fun to kind of put this together, play around with it. Again, if you are interested in buying any of these things, I'll just put links to them in the description. So that'll probably be the easiest thing. And then I bought these little thank you stickers for my Etsy orders. These I think are super cute. I've already used a couple for orders. Yeah, they're just black thank you stickers with like holograph with it, and the text is like holographic, which I think is really cool. They kind of go with the theme and the vibe that I'm going for, which is kind of like with black and white with like hints of red, or yeah, mostly black and white, so they fit in perfectly well, and they look really nice on the little paper bags that I tend to wrap up my orders in. So yeah, they are super cute, and they're just a nice little touch to the packaging. I really like cute packaging, so it's not a necessity to have super cute packaging, but it just personally makes me happy when I'm packing people's orders and it's just really nice and cute, and the stuff fits the vibe of my shop. I just think it's really cute and just looks nice and it makes me happy, so that's all that matters, isn't it? And then final thing, probably one of my favourite things that I've ordered are these little beads with really cute yellow smiley faces. At the moment I'm just going through like a phase where I just love things with smiley faces on. Like I bought some socks with a smiley face on, and looking on Depop with like jumpers and cardigans with smiley faces on, and I absolutely love them. So I thought it'd be cool to get some beads. Maybe I can make them into charms like this, maybe earrings. I don't know, world's your oyster, be creative as you want, you know. So yeah, really cute little smiley faces. They are super cute and I'm excited to use them. That's everything that I've got for this haul. I have been very hyper and talkative through this, but get some energy into the video. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, let me know in the comments below. You can also like this video. You can comment, and if you want to see more stuff from me in the future, you can always subscribe to my channel. The items and stuff that I bought, I will have linked in the description, and in the description is also links to my social media. So I've got my TikTok, my Instagram, and my Twitter, and as well as my Etsy store. There you can go there on my Etsy store. You can go and check out the jewellery, badges and stuff that I sell if you are interested. And that is it for this video. So I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. And yeah.